In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the favorites in Rick's Enterprise. You can add favorites in Rick's Enterprise for the most commonly used screens that you visit. For example, if you go to Inventory Inquiry a lot, so normally you would click on Inventory and Inventory Inquiry. We can create a favorite to make it quick and easy for you to get there when you need to. So the steps on making the favorite is you go to that screen first. So here we're in the Inventory Inquiry, and all you have to do, the top right hand corner area, you're going to click on the green plus sign. And what that does is that adds this page as a favorite, and it tells you an alert message that it added that favorite. Let's say you create SKUs a lot. So normally you would go to Setup and Manage SKUs. If you would like to make that a favorite, again, all you have to do is once you get to that page, you're going to click on the green plus sign in the top right hand corner, and that adds that page as a favorite. We'll add another favorite here. So let's say I run the sales analysis report a lot. So I'm going to click on Reporting, Sales, and Sales Analysis. And then once I'm on that screen, again, I can click on the green plus sign to add this screen as one of my favorites. And now that's added as a favorite. So now that we've added some favorites, you can be anywhere in Rick's Enterprise. You can be on the home page, or you could be on a different screen such as a setup screen or a customer screen or an inventory screen. And to the top right, now that we've added some favorites, we have where it says select from your favorites. So you can click on the drop down and it's going to show you all of your favorites. So you'll see the Inventory Inquiry, Manage SKUs, and Sales Analysis. And in your situation, it'll be whatever you have added for your user for your own favorites. So it's by user. So maybe you have 5 different users that log into Rick's Enterprise. Each user will have their own set of favorites. So now if I want to get to Inventory Inquiry, I can click on that drop down and I can either highlight and click on Inventory Inquiry, or with my keyboard I can hit Alt-1 and that will also get me to the Inventory Inquiry screen just like that. And here I am. So that saved me a step. I didn't have to go to Inventory and Inventory Inquiry. I could just simply either do Alt-1 or I could select this and select the Inventory Inquiry. If I want to go to Manage SKUs, I can just select Manage SKUs. If I want to go to the Sales Analysis, I can just either do Alt-3 on my keyboard or select Sales Analysis, and that'll bring me to that screen. If you ever wanted to delete any of your favorites or move them around, edit those, you could click on Preferences down at the bottom, and this will bring up all of your existing favorites. To the left, it'll show you the order that the favorites are in, and you will see the shortcut keys. If you wanted to delete any of the favorites, you could just simply click on the red X and that would delete that favorite. You could also change the order. If you didn't want Inventory Inquiry to be on top, you could change it just by clicking on this emblem and moving it. And now we have Manage SKUs at the top instead of Inventory Inquiry. If I wanted to alphabetize them from top to bottom, I could click on this. If I wanted to do it the other way around, I could click on this, or I could just simply remove them all if I wanted to remove all my favorites. And the Assign Shortcut Keys just shows you all of your favorites and the shortcut key that it's assigned it to. Like Inventory Inquiry has Alt-1, Manage SKUs Alt-2, and Sales Analysis Alt-3. Let's say I don't want Sales Analysis as a favorite. I can just click on the red X to the right of Sales Analysis, and that will remove that as a favorite. And that is how you add and use the favorites in Rick's Enterprise.